Okay, running around, get my exercise in, and I think I have enough battery to take that off for a few minutes. So I order every month from Chewy because it's easy and the FedEx guys are really cute. What's that noise? Oh, I have my coffee cup washing. This is gonna go in the bathroom. This is gonna go in the trash. So about that, let me go turn my water off. Yes, I forgot it was running. There we go. One thing less to clean. Here, let's put this over here. Yep, I'm about to make me a cup of coffee. I think I'll drink it lukewarm this time. Make a piece of buttery raisin bread. And then you get to clean this mess. So, seniors, I wanted to suggest, I used to buy this, mainly because it was the cheapest one. Amazon still sells it. It's about $3 more on Amazon than at Chewy. But Chewy, for whatever reason, doesn't sell this anymore, apparently. So I had to switch up. So I'm trying to find the other one that I used to buy in a pinch, you know, from Safeway or whatever. And I think it was this one. Unscented, because if I think anything with a scent could possibly fuck up my body, I don't want my babies getting fucked up too. So there's 4 in here for, I forgot how much. Yeah, so this is going to be a lot easier to move around than that 22-pound, whatever it is, boxes, whatever. So usually I would leave that right here to hold the mat down. So I got to move this over a little bit. Maybe, will it fit that way? Oh, it will fit that way. See, that one can stay right there. Ooh. Thank you. See, that's it working exactly how I want it to work. So then, when I put my curtain down, it won't poof out. Because, you know, it's nice and flat when it's flat. But when it's not flat, it pooches at the bottom. Oh, I'm so happy I got this. There. Oh, my goodness. Are you going to slide out? Are you going to tear apart? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I'm going to like this a lot more. Look at that. See, this is why I make so many videos. Okay. No, I'm not going to set it on the porch because they'll complain about there's a box on the porch. Okay. I'm taking the socks to the laundry. Here's a box for you, Magic. There you go. You have all day to play with that. Where are you going? I'm just trying to give you a box. You're a cat. I know you like boxes. Okay? Now you got paper to play with, and you got a box to jump into for a few hours. Anyway, I'm just wondering, where's my food and treats? Okay, I gotta get that out the way. There you go. Come on. Nice fresh box for you to sink your chompers into. Okay, now I can just leave this on top. Oh, good. I've been feeding them less because I know I feed them way too much. Pull my curtains down. Oh, something else? Yeah. I need to rearrange all my witchy shit. One of these days. One of these days. Yay! Oh, I can't wait to buy 3 more curtains. So I usually leave it closer to this side. See, so they'll have a little place to sneak their head in right there. This is nice and straight, how I like it. There. Oh, I can't wait to get 3 more of these. Push that over and have it crunchy, 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 crunchy at the top. Yeah. And some more crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. And some more crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. Now let's get some negative ions in here. Princess, I put this box here for you to step up to the chair, okay? Don't just try to jump over the box to get to the chair. There you go, Magic. And I'm going to brush you again today. So you got to get used to being brushed every day. I got to stop being lazy and just do it. Okay? All right. There you go, son. Oh, I got to clear this away now. Because we're not supposed to have nothing at one window. So in case of a fire, there's my other socks. We could jump out. Yeah, I'll get to that eventually. I would like to move some of my larger crystals that the sun doesn't affect. So I'm not putting amethyst here. I forgot the other one that I'm not going to put here. Because over time... Oh, I need to vacuum that. Over time, it will fade in the sun. There, I dusted. Okay. Oops, sorry. Sorry, Matilda. But you sure grown good, kiddo. And no, I'm not going to put it in a bigger thing. I just have to chop the old leaves down because I want that to stay that size. Hi, Panda Plant. Hi, Carusula. Oh, I remembered her name today. Carusula. Panda Plant. Yeah. Vision board. Spirit, come here. Windows are open. He gets very little because he will shove his fat head through there and lay in there. Yeah. Oh, I need to pour some water on that. Come over here. Hey. No, come over here. No. Okay, good boy. That's all you get. Because I don't want him leaning on the screen, pushing out. And then they're going to charge me for that. Yeah, later. Okay. Let's take this out to put in the 30-gallon bag. And then I'll put it in the thing and take it down to the trash. Oh, I needed more water, huh? Oh. See, now I got some exercise in. I'm nice and warm. I can actually sit at the stationary desk for a little while and sort some shit out. Okay, that's about it for me right now. Dump cake, here I come. Yum. I wish you guys would have told me about a damn dump cake sooner. Here, let's steal a grape or two. I'm going to make soda later.